Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, however the mode doesn't really matter because we will open general settings. I just wanted to draw attention to those gray lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so basically they should disappear after resetting. So all we need to do now is to tap on this 4 dots icon here to open more options and tap on the settings icon. Now let's scroll all the way down and find reset settings and tap on it, and then tap on reset. As you can see, we just got back to the camera and the gray lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.